Updating macOS X to use the HP printer driver allows you to get full functionality out of your HP printer and helps resolve printing issues. First, click the Apple menu, then click System Preferences. Depending on your version of OS X, click Print and Fax, Print and Scan, or Printers and Scanners. From the Printers list, select your printer. Click the minus sign. Click Delete Printer to confirm you want to remove the printer. Click the plus sign. If prompted, click Add Printer or Scanner. Select your printer from the list of devices.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Make sure your printer is listed as Bonjour Multifunction or USB Multifunction under the Kind column. Click the Use or Print Using box and select the name of your printer in the drop-down menu. Do not select the AirPrint driver. If your HP printer model does not appear under the Use or Print Using list, go to hp.com/drivers to get the latest software for your printer. Click Add to add your printer to the list. Your printer is now using the HP driver and ready for regular use.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.